Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Code with Tammy. So today we are going to turn a normal photo into a cool cartoon style image using Python and OpenCV with just a few lines of code. Let's break it down step by step and I'll explain what each line does and why we use that. We use an original mode for this. I will import OpenCV library. It's a powerful tool for image processing and computation tasks. And here we load the image using cv2.im read. Provide the correct path of the image. So now we check if the image was successfully loaded. If it wasn't, maybe the path is incorrect. So we print an error like the image is not found. And then else will display it in a window using cv2. So here we use I am show. So here we are showing our original image, guys. We pass two parameters here, name and img. So next we are convert to grayscale using cv2 cvt color. This implies the image one color channel, which makes edge detection path running easier. BGR to gray color, BGR to gray. Okay, now we convert. We need medium blur. We apply this with a kernel size of 5 to reduce image noise. This step helps to smooth the grayscale image while preserving edges. So 5, that's the kernel size. It must be an odd number. Large size says smooth more, but may blur the details. Okay, now we do adaptive thresholding to detect edges in the image. We use 255 is the max value for the white areas. Yeah, 255. So next we use adaptive threshold to calculate the threshold using the mean of neighboring pixels. We can use dash binary to turn pixels either black or white, and here we can use a block size, means it looks at 99 pixel area to calculate the threshold. So C9 means it's a constant subtracted from the mean to find edge detection, and we'll filter. Here we smooth the original image with a bilateral filter. It reduces noise while keeping the edges sharp, perfect for that cartoon look. D9 is the diameter of the pixel neighborhood, and sigma color to please control how colors are smooth. Higher means more smoothing. Sigma says 250, and we'll combine edges and color. So here we use CPU bitwise and to combine the smooth color image and the edge mask using this bitwise and this applies the cartoon style black edges over the simplified image colors. So then we'll show and save our cartoon image. We display the final cartoon image and save it to our disk as cartoon image window. Here we show it as cartoon image window in the window, and we'll output that using CV2IM right cartoon output dot jpg. That's so. Okay, simple as that. Okay, now we can use wait key for waits until we press a key, and also we can use destroy all windows to close all OpenCV windows once we are done. You can use as you want. You can change the parameter values. And there you have it. We run. So we need the photo in our location. I'll add the original image. Sample.jpg. I have added an image of a bear, and we run. So from a regular photo to a cartoon style image using just few lines of Python. So this is our original image, and this is the cartoon image window. So this is a great for creative projects, social media, or even your next AI art experiment. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to